welcome back to my channel. I'm Kari of Avari Beauty, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I prep and prepare basically when I'm doing eyelash extensions on my customers. So I'm going to go over cleansing, I'm going to go over priming, and just how I basically get her face ready for me to do the lashing. So the product that I'm going to talk about first is my cleanser. This is the Avari Beauty Eyelash Foam Cleanser. This is an awesome cleanser. It has a really nice gentle rose scent to it, and what it does is just gets the lashes nice and clean and ready for eyelash extensions. But you can also provide this for a at-home care regimen for them, so they can use this at home and wash their lashes every single day using this product. I absolutely love it. So what I like to do is, actually it comes with a brush, and it's a very soft fluffy brush, very flexible and not stiff at all. So a lot of times what I'll do is I'll pump the cleanser right onto the brush. Have it close for me, and then I'll go ahead and just gently put it on there and softly go around in circles around the eye. Same thing on this side, so I go around, and then I also like to brush down and up as well to really cleanse them. A lot of people don't think that their lashes are dirty, but as you can tell with my brush, that foundations and powders do get on the eyelids and on the eyelashes and can cause retention problems when you're lashing them. So I definitely recommend washing your lashes on clients. The next thing that I like to do is rinse the eyes, and what I do is I take a nice bottle filled with warm water and I have them tilt to the left, and I go ahead and squeeze some into a napkin or a Kleenex. And I do about 3 rinses for them just to make sure that all the soap is gone. See how I have it cupped? When you have it cupped like this, the water does not fall down and get everywhere. And then turn to the right. Do one more time. I'm going to go ahead and tape her lower lashes. I'll have you open for me. Oops. And then next thing that I like to do is I take a Kleenex and I fold it in half and I lay it across her forehead, because this is going to protect her skin from bacteria and make it a nice surface for me to work on. And I secure it by taking some tape, just putting it down the middle, and what I do is I just stick a piece of tape on the Kleenex and then tape it down to the side, and then it stays in place. This is an option, but at this step you can definitely prime the lashes, and basically what you do is you just take a small amount, and then sometimes I'll just dab a little bit of the excess on the tissue, and then you go in with the lashes and brush it on. Another option for priming is to use just a regular saline rinse. So some people like to prime using this as well. I do this especially for sensitive customers, so I'll make sure to use something like this, and I'll even flush their eyes at the end if they have sensitive eyes to help with the glue fumes and avoid a sensitive reaction. Okay guys, this is how I prep. I hope that this was helpful for you guys. If you liked this video, make sure that you like the video and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram at the Avari Beauty, and if you're interested in purchasing the cleanser and the brush, head over to my website avaribeauty.com. Thanks guys.